Hey everyone, welcome to Crafting with Carla. So this is part two. Last week I showed you guys how to make your own note box, and if you didn't watch it, you should totally watch it. It was really good. Maybe my best one. Anyway, if you're busy and you don't have time to watch it, I respect that. Basically, what a note box is it's a special place for you to put all the mean things that mean people say to you. And today I'm going to show you what, like, a healing thing you can do with these really negative comments. And it's so funny. I just got another one. So I just want to show you real quick before I put it in my own note box. I want to show you like how I wrote it down. Like I had extra paper left over from when I made an Easter basket. And so what I do is I just use my cool pens and I just copy what people have said, put a cute sticker on it, and then I just shove it in the note box. So I have a bunch of nope in my note box now, and so now I'm going to show you like a really cool way to deal with this. So first let's move all this out of the way. It might be dangerous. A really nice way to deal with these things is you need like a fireplace. Like I don't have a fireplace because I live in an apartment and my landlord is a capitalist asshole. So I'm using this wooden tray as my fireplace. And because I want to protect my board. Like these things aren't cheap. I want to protect it. So I'm using this. And so as you can see, I have a lot of nope in my note box. I'm just going to dump it out. Now it's really up to you. You want to reread any of these? Like, I don't know if I want to, but since I'm doing a tutorial, I'll just show you real quick, like some of the mean comments I got. I don't know if anyone can relate to any of these. This is what you're doing with your anthropology degree. What a waste. And then you guys, it's so hard to hate on myself, so I just do a little heart next to that so I don't feel real bad. You already saw that one. Crafting is stupid. I like stickers. I put some stickers on them. You're so dumb. So that's what I have. That's what I got in my note box this week. I thought this would be a really good opportunity to try out these cool birthday stickers. They're not stickers. I like stickers so much. I say the word stickers too much. They're candles, which is not the same as stickers at all. There are a lot of different colors and they're metallic, so they're really cool. I thought it'd be cool to light all of them at the same time. Where did the matches go? So I have some matches. These are really easy to find. You don't need to go to a special craft store to find matches, but you just light your fun candles. And I don't know about you, but whenever I light fun candles, I want to sing happy birthday, but it's not my birthday, so I'm not going to. Anyway, and then you just burn this stuff. Like you don't need this nope in your life. Hopefully stickers aren't toxic. And just set this all on fire. You don't need it in your life anymore. You can declare your independence from other people being assholes to you. Oh shit, don't let your note box get caught on fire. That would be super bad. You'd have to make another one, which is okay. It's okay to have more than one note box. Like if you're being bullied a lot, you might need more than one, like maybe one for each day of the week. I don't know, you do you. I hope these stickers aren't toxic. I should have opened the window. I'm getting a lot of wax on my wooden box here. But just burn the shit out of it, just until you can't see it anymore, until it's like not part of your life anymore. It's kind of messy. I hope this doesn't set off the fire extinguisher. Anyway, when you're done, just shake out. Oh my god, that hurt. Just shake out those fun candles, and you can just watch the uselessness of your enemies go up in smoke. And it's still burning, so I think it's burning the extra wax. That's okay, whatever. Anyway, so that's what I do whenever my note box is full, or just whenever I feel like I need a little healing. All right, I hope that helped you guys. See you next time. Bye.